I dropped a refrigerator on my foot today. Here's how I feel about it. Not really, but you know. Whenever I miss a note, I start playing start to mute the notes so that it sounds like it was intentional. But I never use that technique unless I miss a note. I mean, it's kind of a dumb technique, so it's like living in denial a little bit. One thing I cannot deny is I dropped a goddamn refrigerator on my foot. God, it hurts, man. I mean, the bruise isn't that impressive, otherwise I'd put it on camera, but I don't know if you've ever dropped a refrigerator on your foot, but it wasn't any good. Let me tell you, it wasn't any good.